Hello everyone, look at this what I got here, something creamy, nutty flavor and very tasty. This is a Pipian, Mexican traditional food. It's a base of nuts. So we got some chicken cubes, onion, coriander and garlic. We're gonna boil the chicken and reserve the broth we are gonna have there. Yeah? We're gonna add some salt on it. And that's it, just basic. Cook it and reserve the water, broth. So right here we have some tomatillos verdes. This are from my garden, and we are just gonna boil them until they change the color. So we got here the garlic and the onion, just chop, tomatillos, the chicken and the shrimps, which I marinated already. So we're gonna blend the onion, the garlic and the tomatillos with a little bit of our chicken broth from our previous preparation. So we're gonna add some cloves, some black pepper, also some cumin, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna blend it and reserve it. In a hot pan, we're gonna roast some peanuts. This is the main ingredient of the sauce. Yeah, this is very flavorful. The pumpkin seeds also we're gonna roast, and some sesame seeds. You will smell it when they are ready. It just take a little bit of time. Just avoid to burn it, so you have to be very careful with the heat. Not so high, like you burn it, it's gonna ruin your dish. Yeah. So now you add a little bit of oil for your pan, and you fry your tomatillo mix we just prepared, and we keep roasting our nuts. Yeah, you see, just very carefully, slowly, but not too high and not too low. You will smell it, I'm sure you will. So we got some lettuce. We're gonna put on our blender with coriander. And also we're gonna add some broth from our previous preparation, yeah. And the seeds will come now. We're gonna blend it and incorporate to the tomatillo mix. This is our nuts mixed with the tomatillo now. We're just gonna make them together, a little bit of heat up temperature, and we are ready to go. We will add our chicken cubes. Yes, remember they are previously cooked, so it's just like getting all together with the sauce, that it takes this flavor of the sauce. And now we're gonna add our shrimps. We were marinated with garlic, parsley and salt. Just blended and mix and just add to the shrimps. We are just gonna incorporate, mix it. Remember, just 2 minutes and they will be cooked. Once they turn the color into this slightly rosa color, we are just done. Best way to serve this dish is with rice. This is kind of a must with the rice, because it's very saucy and it's very flavorful. So I hope you like it. Remember, share it, like it. Bye bye. Have a nice day.